Hi, my name is Hala, and today I will be walking you through how to transfer hours from one course to another. The first thing you're going to want to do is click Management and click Courses. Then you will select the course that you would like to transfer hours from. Next, you would click Records, and you would select the student you would like to transfer hours for. All right, so this student has this total amount of hours in this course, and we want to transfer it to another course. So we can just click Transfer Time, and you will have the ability to search for courses here to select the one you would like to transfer it to. You can fill that out, and then you will enter in how much time you would like to transfer. So you can put as many hours as you would like, and then you would enter in here the start date of when these hours um, will be entered in. And you can add in notes here as to why you are transferring these hours, and you can click save. And that is the whole process. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.